welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I have an unboxing for you today. This item, I didn't expect to get it, but when I went to the store last week to get my bag, and my daughter, she saw this and she really wanted, and that why and luckily they have her that the one she want. And this is the box, and this is the receipt, and this is the one. And see, this is the, I have a label here, and my essay, she checked it out and she have the color and the style that she want, because she saw on the shelf and that what she wanted. And I got this for her. It's not for me, and this is not my style, but that's for my daughter. And here we go. This is the booklet, and this is the dust bag. If you see two dust bags, then you know what is it, right? And here we go. This is the boot, the combat boot, and this is a full leather, and my daughter, she love it. She tried it on. This is size 37. Yeah, 37. It's on the bottom. You see the Chanel is right here. On the top, on the front, they have a small CD, Chanel CC logo here, and around the start here, they have a tiny little pearl, and on the back, you have a Chanel pull tab here. And she already tried it on. It's very comfortable, and she loved it. And I got this for her because she keep asking. She want to have the Chanel boot for a long time, but we couldn't find the style that she liked. And inside, you can see here, you have Chanel made in Italy, and there are two styles. One is this, and another one is without the pearl here. And actually, my daughter, she want the boot, the style with the tab and the CC logo, like a 19, look like a 19 Chanel 19 style, but that's already it's already sold out and no longer available. And she saw this on the shelf and she loved it. She fell in love with it, and she asked me if she can have it, and that's why I think after she tried it on, and it's so pretty on her, and I say okay, I can get it for her so she can enjoy this Christmas. And that's is for her. And the heel is let's see how tall it is, because when she wears, she's kind of petite like me, but she love it because they have some heel, and it make her, she said, it make her look a little bit taller. Around 2-inch height, 2.25 height. That's a heel. And well, how many centimeter? Let's see, around 5.5 centimeter height. And when she put it on, this boot is so beautiful. It makes her feet like not very slim, not wide like a lot of combat boot she had already tried, but this one is so pretty, and this is rate it's 1,300, and it's before tax, and I have to pay let's see, here it says it's a 6% tax. And if you want to know the code, and and this is the code and the box. Let's see. Oh, here, and is the code. Yeah, it's here. If you interested in it to get it, and this is the information for the boot, and also is in the box. It's right here, and you can all the number. Then if you need if you want to need to get one of this, and you can contact the SA and get it. It's retail for $1,300, and it's before tax. Yeah, they come with 2 dust bags. You can put it on after put the shoe back in the bag if you don't use it. When you don't use it, that's it. It's so pretty, and to be honest, I really like it. I'm not the big fan of the combat boot, but yeah, it's so pretty, and maybe I will get one for myself after I saw she try it on and look pretty. I never thought it before about the combat boot. I have the classic, the Chanel classic, the tall ankle boot, but I never think about the combat boots until my daughter she wanted, because now I think it's very trendy and she loves it so much. And when after I saw she try it on, it looked pretty, and I think about it, and I say maybe I will see which one is I like, and maybe I will get one. How you think about this boot? Do you already have it? If you already have it, please comment. Put a comment in the comment below. How you think about it? Should I get one for myself? I don't know. I still debate back and forth. I already have the short boot and long, like tall boot in the classic style already, and I don't need another boot. But this is so pretty and so attempted, and to be honest, I really want to get one, but I have to think, do I wear a lot? Because where we live is the winter is not very long. It's kind of cold, but not really long like where I lived before. But my daughter, she wear more this type of boot than me. Okay, that's it for today, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you think you enjoyed this video and you think this helpful, and please give it a thumb up, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and the YouTube will notify you when I have the new video. And thank you so much for your support, and you have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Take care.